I mentioned that we're going to be exploring the areas of triangles and parallelograms um, and other quadrilaterals, area of triangles and quadrilaterals. So before we learn those formulas to find area, I wanted to go over the term height because height is involved in finding the areas of triangles and other quadrilaterals. But what's important is that we remember when we find areas and we use the term height, or we measure the height, I should say, when we measure the height to use to find the areas, it's important that we know that the height has to form a right angle with the base. So whenever we have a figure, the height has to form a right angle with the base in order for it to be the height. So here we've got this quadrilateral, right? We've got this quadrilateral with 4 sides. The base is in red and then the other sides are in blue. The height would not be this side here or this side here. And the reason is because there's no right angle. So sometimes the height is not necessarily a side of one of our figures, and that's okay. As long as that height forms a right angle, we're good to go. So we can see over here we've got a triangle. The 2 sides are in blue and then the base is in red. And the height is actually outside if we draw in this imaginary line to show the height. We go from the vertex straight down to the base, and we have to form that 90-degree angle. So something to keep in mind as you start to go through your lessons in Unit 8 is that idea about the height, that it has to form a right angle with the base.